everybody, welcome back to my channel Technology is Tech. So today I am going to tell about you in this video how to make your own logo in just 5 minutes. So we will start our video now. So there it is a website named It by Envanto. So I will give this link in description box, so you have to go there. You have to choose logos. Now you have to type your brand name, like my brand name. I can also type Technologies Tech. So I will go to next. It's telling please pick an industry. I am having a technology channel, so I will choose technology. Or if you are having any technology or other thing channel, you can choose from here. So let's go. So it's loading. So it's loading till now. So now, yes, get technology company logo. If you want, you can choose your graphic. Like you can add comma, touch, comma. So I have also made my YouTube channel logo from here only. Like, see, it's still loading. So it's loading. If you don't get the correct logo you want, you can go to page J's, like page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and more. So I will go to page 2. So it's loading. See, now it's going on. So see, now you can see that logos has all come now. See, it's loading. Here, online logo maker for startup with a big clip art. Abstract logo template for technology consult films. So I will choose the logo. See, this logo, can you see this? I have made from Place It only by Envanto. So still it's loading. See, now you can see like this. So I will choose this one. So I want to tell you all an important thing. Whenever you make your logo in this website and you download it, asks for money. But you can do this without money. I can show you. First you can make. See my channel's name, computer repair service. I don't repair computers. So I will hide this and I will put the layout. It's one like this, and one like this. So this one is like this, so I will put this one, the second one between. So you can see now. So still it's loading. See, I put this logo on my. So I will be continuing next part today only. Bye everyone.